My name is Randy Johnson, and this is my final internship presentation for EDET 650. My internship was at a local nonprofit organization, Communities in Schools of the Midlands. It is a dropout prevention organization. My internship was on capacity building through technology, and that's basically helping the organization achieve the technological things that it needs to be upgraded and to still perform like any other organization that would be current. My objectives for this internship were to build a new organizational website, create a volunteer orientation video, develop a volunteer processing how to, and to introduce the organization to some free Web 2.0 tools that would help them remain current. When it came to developing the website, some of the needs were that it needed to be informational, organized, attractive, appropriate, and cheaply maintained. Some of the problems that I ran into was that no one at the organization really knew what they wanted the website to be. They were also using a very dated web template system, and the organization really did not have a central message that they wanted to get across. They were actually working on developing that kind of message when I started interning. This is what the homepage of the website looked like. The template really did not allow you to change where the navigation buttons were, what the navigation buttons were. It didn't allow you to change colors, and there was only two set fonts that you could use. So it was very limiting. However, the organization used it because it was hosted for free by the national organization and saved them money. So this is what we were up against. Other problems were that the organization really wasn't using the template to the best of its ability. They were posting pictures and little messages, and it was almost like a blog, not very professional or representative of what an informational website should be. So what I ended up doing was creating a WordPress template and then using that to create a website. This is free. It would be easy for the organization to maintain, and also it's easy for someone who has no website building skills whatsoever to update. Also, the navigation is very clear and it stays the same in each page, so it'll be easy to navigate the website. This will make traffic on the website higher because people know where things are and where to expect things. Also, we limited the content to information that pushed for the brand of the organization today and took away some of that blogginess aspect of the website. For the volunteer orientation video, the needs were to update the orientation presentation and also to make the presentation available via the website so that it would be more portable. Due to the background checks, the volunteer processing process was already lengthy, so to have some people come into the office for orientation sometimes was a bother. Also, no manpower is required to show an orientation video. So what I did was I created a new PowerPoint orientation, which was a lot different from the one from 1995 that they had been using. And then I used Screencast-O-Matic to provide a voiceover and then to post it to the website. The volunteer processing how-to was necessary because they needed a training piece to make everyone aware of the process of processing volunteers. That position is generally held by volunteers and interns, so it's very high turnover. Some of the problems that I ran into with trying to create this was we needed an official process that everyone was going by, and then the process needed to be approved by the board. So what we ended up doing was establishing a set process for processing volunteers and then get the process approved. And we had to create a step-by-step process. So what I ended up doing was creating a PowerPoint presentation again that was appropriate for this use. And then I made a voiceover on it. And I made this into a DVD so it can be used as trainings, and as well there can be copies at all of the sites. Over the course of the internship, there were a number of tools that I introduced to them. WordPress, which is free hosting and is hosting the website. Issue, which is free publishing, which allows them to publish the newsletter online. Publish your email, which allows the newsletter to be sent in the body of an email. YouTube, which everyone knows is video hosting for free. DreamHost, which is free web hosting for nonprofit organizations. And Screencast-O-Matic, which allows them to create videos like this that can be used as tutorials and trainings. All in all, it was a great internship experience, and I liked it.